How to unmute someone on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, if you have muted someone before, you won't be seeing any of their posts in your timeline. And if you want to unmute them back, what you need to do is, you need to head over to their profile first. You can open up their profile from here, or you can simply tap on the search bar and type in their username. From the search results, head over to their profile. Once you're in their profile, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to unmute them, you must have muted this profile before. If so, over here in this top right corner, you can see the three dots icon. Tap on this. You'll see a menu pop up like this. Over here, you can see this unmute option. In order to unmute them, you can simply tap on this unmute button. And there you go, you've successfully unmuted this profile. So that's how you can easily unmute someone on X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.